Hi everyone, here we've got LG Wing, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now we have to find the lock screen and security. As you can see here, we've got encryption and credentials, so let's enter, and at the very bottom of the list we've got clear credentials option, so let's tap on it. If you are ready to remove all the contents, tap on OK. If you've got a pattern or a pin, then enter it to confirm, so let me do it. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your LG Wing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.